Hello everyone, you are watching my channel Language Fluency by Preetmohan Kaur. I am hoping that you all are doing good. Today I have come up with a new topic. Going to talk about the speaking procedure only. IELTS is all about the International English Language Testing System, ठीक है, which contains 4 modules, that is reading, writing, listening, and the last one is speaking, which is one of my favorite module. All right, it is for the IELTS learners who are the beginners and the advanced learners. Both it would be beneficial to both of you. So stay tuned. Moving on to the whole procedure of IELTS testing. Okay, so there are the 3 sections. That means 3 parts, which includes 3 parts. First part starting with the introductory questions, and it is being followed with the cue card. After that, after the cue card, there would be a follow-up question or follow-up sessions, we can say. So there are 3 parts in the IELTS speaking. It is a continuous speaking. Okay, no proper time or no time would be given to you in between these modules or these parts. So you can see the whole speaking would be of 15 to 20 minutes. All right, it is on a different day. Your all other 3 modules would be on different day. Okay, starting with the first part, which is all about the introductory questions, it generally takes 6 to 7 minutes. It depends upon the interviewer. Okay, it generally depends upon the interviewer who is going to conduct your speaking. Okay, introductory questions contains 1 to 2 topics of that. So the interviewer would be asking you about 1 to 2 topics which are related to you and only yourself. All right, it is just related to you. That can be so simple in itself. So next part is our cue card, which generally takes 3 to 4 minutes, which is generally depend upon a topic. Okay. The next part is follow-up sessions. Follow-up session is related to the cue card, which is being asked by the interviewer in the speaking. Okay. So our first part would be the introduction part. It is just going to ask you about yourself and only you. बहुत ही simple questions आपसे पूछे जाएंगे, ठीक है? I have written over here about the types of the question being asked. ठीक है, that is related to home, study, work, daily routine, newspaper, weather, books, music, and so on related to this. Just a simple kind of topics which you can speak so efficiently. Okay, so 1 to 2 topics would be asked. Okay, you have to speak only 2 to 3 minutes as I suggested, because the reason would be जब हम 2 या 3 लाइनें से ज़्यादा हम बोलते हैं, so it might be confusing, sometime it might go wrong in a wrong direction. Okay, so you have to speak just 2 to 3 lines. That's enough for the introduction part. Okay, journal. So your 6 to 8 minute would be gone in this part, because it is a journal topic and you have to just speak about yourself. Moving on to the next topic, which is a cue card. It is a card, it includes a certain topic, okay, which is about to ask to you. It is a certain kind of topic which is so simple, as I have written some of the example over here, like about a place you go. You have to think about a particular topic for just 1 minute and you have to speak about 2 minutes without taking any kind of long pauses. You have to generally cook a story. Likewise, you cook stories in the Punjabi and the Hindi language. Similarly, you have to cook a story इन द लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश. ठीक है, जैसे हम मूवी देख के आते हैं, हम घर आके सारी की सारी मूवी हिंदी और पंजाबी लैंग्वेज में बताते हैं, वो भी बाय एडिंग सम ऑफ द कनेक्टर्स, है ना. अब फिर उसके बाद ये हुआ सर्टेनली और सिमिलरली वी हैव टू कुक अ स्टोरी बाय जस्ट पुटिंग कनेक्टर्स टू इट. पार्ट विच इज़ ऑल अबाउट द फॉलो अप क्वेश्चंस. फॉलो अप क्वेश्चंस में क्या होता है, आपको कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं जिसके लिए आपको ज़्यादा बोलना होता है. मतलब यू हैव टू स्पीक मोर देन द इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट, बिकॉज इन द इंट्रोडक्टरी क्वेश्चंस you have to answer only 2 to 3 lines. Okay, but in this part you have to just state your opinions, just state your idea. ठीक है, that it would reflect the good opinion of yours. ठीक है, आपको questions पूछे जाएंगे, वो किससे रिलेट करेंगे, आपके क्यू कार्ड से रिलेट करेंगे. जैसा क्यू कार्ड होगा उससे रिलेटेड आपको क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाएंगे फॉर द मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन. ओके, फॉर द मोर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. सो वन थिंग मस्ट बी क्लियर इन योर माइंड अबाउट दिस पार्ट, ठीक है, मेक श्योर योर सेल्फ कि जो ये पार्ट है, फॉलो अप सेशन जो होता है, फॉलो अप क्वेश्चंस जो आपको पूछे जाएंगे विच इज़ रिलेटेड टू द क्यू कार्ड, इट जर्नली नीड्स, इसे क्या चाहिए, इसे चाहिए आपका कॉन्फिडेंस, ठीक है, बिहाइंड योर स्पीकिंग। आप बोलते हो, आप अपना ओपिनियन रखते हो, इफ़ यू आर गोइंग इन अ रेस डायरेक्शन और यू आर गोइंग इन अ नो डायरेक्शन, सो यू वुड हैव द गुड आंसर्स टू स्पीक, ठीक है, आपके पास उतना कॉन्फिडेंस होना चाहिए बोलने के लिए, ये नहीं कि आप नो पे जा रहे हो, यू वुड बी कंफ्यूजिंग, ओके। As I must say about the part 3, because it is a generally a kind of a part which is a argumenting session, as you have to make arguments in just a polite manner, okay, you don't have to just argue like everything, you have to make arguments in a kind of a certain politeness, एज योर होल स्पीकिंग नीड्स मच कॉन्फिडेंस, आपको पूरी स्पीकिंग में अपना कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं छोड़ना है, जैसे जैसे आप आंसर करते रहोगे वैसे वैसे आपको मोर कॉन्फिडेंस इज रिक्वायर्ड, ओके। as this is the whole procedure of the IELTS speaking, ठीक है, I would be sharing more tips and tricks about IELTS speaking. So if these videos would be impacting on you and you are taking a better advantage of this, so keep learning and keep commenting as well. So you would be able to get more stuff, more remarkable stuff sooner or later. But don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and most oftenly, keep connected with Language Fluency by Preet Pawankar.